we were dealing with that level, well, maybe not the cold, but the snow for a while, and then all of a sudden we had today. Gorgeous.
Today, I would dub, and I will start dubbing days like today, sunny delights. I'm still tailoring my criteria because I try to hit meteorological thresholds. Like the side's got to be sunny, the wind can't be too strong, the dew point can't be over a certain amount.
Right.
So I'm calibrating. But today, sunny delight.
One of those like William Shatner-esque days. Just need a light jacket.
Yeah. It was gorgeous. Hopefully.
Also, I loved your space station trick. That's a great idea.
25 degrees. The surf's up. That's
What should we look for in the sky tonight?
So, great question. If you can spot it, and you should be able to, it'll look like a star that's just moving ever so slowly, but with enough pace to know that it's moving.
Cool.
Yeah, and you should be able to see it. 8:07 to 8:09.
Not too late to be awake.
Yeah,
cool.
Should be a fun thing to see if you can spot it. There will be better passes in time. This one's just a little tease of a pass, kind of like the weather today. 63 still in Portland. It's gorgeous for just about everybody, with the exception of the county. Some snow showers starting to show up there. That's the leading edge of this push of cold air that'll come in around the eastern flank of high pressure. That'll, again, set the table for a messy day of weather tomorrow. It won't be wintry for everybody. I think the coastal locations, inland spots, stays cold rain, but into the foothills, the higher terrain, the mountains, the county, that's where you're going to get the transition to freezing rain, sleet, and snow, and that picks up into tomorrow evening, about 24 hours from right now. So you see how those coastal and inland spots stay rain, with that transition to perhaps some freezing rain into the foothills, the highlands, and the mountains. 1/4 of an inch possible in the ice department, and this may also come with some sleet and snow north of that ribbon of 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of the freezing rain. So you get more north of that, that's when you'll start to see more sleet and or snow. Some places up in the county could pick up a 1/2 inch or a 1/2 foot of snowfall, and that's where the winter storm warnings are in effect. But those advisories, they get as far south as the highlands and into the foothills, and that's where there could be that icier mix of precip that does fall. Again, that is going to be, I think, the most probable tomorrow evening. By Thursday morning, it's more of a plain rain for most spots, and then this front comes through and kicks the moisture out of here, and it's cooler behind it. So temperatures likely in the 40s for the most part on Thursday, but it will be drier with a breezy west wind. Friday looks quiet, but another clipper will come in Friday night, and this looks to be our next best chance for some snow. Over here, I put that the ceiling on this snow chance is rising because I think it looks a little bit more lucrative than it did yesterday with respect to its snow output, and that looks to be late Friday and into Saturday morning. 3 to 5 foot seas tomorrow, 37 on the sea surface temperatures. Winds will be out of the east to northeast at 10 to 20 knots. So inland spots, there could be a little bit of wintry mix. That will be more so for the foothills and into the highlands. And then it gets snowier up in Aroostook County. Should be a plain rain tomorrow at the coast, and a few more lingering showers Thursday, with the next offering of snow coming Friday night and into Saturday. A lot of this with the temperatures too,
yes.
And none of the next 7 days as nice as today.
That's okay. I'm happy with what we got.
It was beautiful.